the single largest iron ore producer of the country. What a pleasure to have him. He is our APMTS's highest taxpayer. NMDC is the highest taxpayer for my APMTS, for our APMT, who is an advocate of responsible corporate citizenship. He has been rooting always for human capital development. Dr. Reddy's Lab is a major Indian multinational company with 190 medicants and 60 APIs by my last count on Google. The pharma sector, I must confess, is the second most contributing sector for our income tax in APNTS. Another Indian-based multinational brand is Amaron, the automotive battery. I sincerely welcome Dr. Ramachandra Ngala, chairman of Amar Raja Batteries, the highest taxpayer in Bijawara region of Andhra Pradesh. Agni, Prithvi, Nag, Akash, all the missiles that we have heard of, we are proud of, were all produced by a Hyderabad headquartered company called BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. We have the pleasure, and I must say I welcome sincerely Mr. V. Udar Raskar. He is a scientist. I'll put him, and it is not for nothing, in the league of Dr. Krishna Menon, Dr. Raja Ramana. And I welcome all my seniors who have superannuated and stay with us emotionally, physically on these functions. I welcome all the friends, all the chartered accountants, all the lawyers, all my taxpayers. I welcome my friends from the print and electronic media. I welcome also all my colleagues, their spouses, the children who have come also to be awarded here, and also the principals and the teachers who have accompanied each one of you to this august occasion in the month of July. Tax matters. Income tax matters all the more deeply, decisively, definitely. They say no one can stop an idea whose time has come. I must say, tax is such an idea. Perhaps its time will never come to go away. And our esteemed guests, chief guests and guests of honor, we are all taxpayers. In a way, we are all tax collectors also. It is in more ways than we have ever imagined, believed, accepted, or even registered. It is true, income tax for us kicked off in the pre-independent India in 1860 on this day, July 24th. When James Wilson's proposal came into being in the form of an act, Act number 32, to compensate 1857 mutiny cost to the British government. 30 lakh rupees were collected then in the very first year. Now we have evolved into a robust economy. Many years later, many law commissions, many committees later, many thinking, many philosophies later, many budgets later, we have collected last year 10 lakh 30,000 crore. And APNTS? Yes, we contributed ourselves, all of us, so 49,775 crore last year. We are growing here, as you all know, at roughly 14%. Yesterday it was 13.4, now today it is 14. When Indian average is 6.4%, the PM's dream, our Honorable Prime Minister's dream, is that we should have a rapid growth. Rapid in the sense, revenue, accountability, probity, information and digitization, RAPID. We are. Whether money grow, economy grow, our vision, our desires grow, or merely the collection of revenue grow, And whether any or all of this should grow or did grow, it is a point of introspection. Today is that day of introspection for all of us. It is a day of rededication. Enjoyment is private, I believe, but celebration is public. Enjoyment is a silent excitement. Celebration is a crowded burst of emotion. It is our celebration of socio-economic desires and the visible fulfillment. Tax is always a statement of our independence, our solvency. If democracy is of and for the people, public expenditure for us shall always be there. If it is by the people, then tax is a must. Tax is always a civilized contribution. It is never a cost, never a price, and a comprehensive portal which offers end-to-end services from e-payment of taxes to e-processing to e-assessment with a minimum of human interface. Even our grievances are redressed on the e-Nivaran portal. I am happy to announce that only 450 grievances are pending as of now out of the 12,000 and odd grievances that we had received during these 4 months. We are a 55,000 workforce having 745 offices in 540 locations all over India. And in APNTS, we are roughly 2,860 working in 50 locations. Our celebrations, this income tax day celebration, in fact started off when the Honorable Governor Sir said yes. He gave his kind consent. We have been celebrating, believe me, I am not telling you a lie. It started from the day the youngest of the stakeholders, the students, they competed amongst themselves to tell us what we should do. They told us by doing rangolis, giving their feelings, their emotions, their desires, their advices, their suggestions. They wrote essays, long essays. I'm told 130 participants they have given us only essays. They raised slogans. One of the slogans which I liked, I don't know what became of that slogan, is that our tax is at work. Just like we say on the road, our men at work take a diversion. Our tax is at work. Don't take a diversion. They also drew paintings, drawings to tell us what we should do. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a festive all along. Once again, I seek all your indulgence. Once again, I will seek your indulgence to welcome our Honorable Governor, who shall bless us, who shall tell us, who shall advise us, who shall guide us. Once again, I will seek your indulgence to welcome all our guests of honor, who shall enrich us with their thoughts and, if possible, more actions. Once again, I will welcome you all who not only confirm me that the treasury is not only the main plank, kosher, is not only the mula bandha of a nation, rather you confirm me that and reassure me that what you contribute shall be given to you manifold. There are not many slogans. I want to give one slogan. And this is the slogan of the day. It is very simple. Our currencies can be of varied colors. Pink, green, blue, but our money should be white. This is a day, 24th July. There are many of our friends, our workers, our colleagues, they share this day with their birthday. I congratulate all of them, Shunita, Vaskar, Chandrasekhar, Jagdish, Pavana, and Rajesh, Satyavira, Venkat, Govinda Shankar, they share the birthday, their birthday on July 24. I congratulate many, many happy returns of the day, and I really thank you all. My friends, all my officers, they have worked hard. I wish I had shared a few minutes with them what they have done. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You have come, and we will be eagerly waiting for our next item in the agenda. We will be hearing our honorable governor, of course, in the end. Before that, we will have all our guest speakers, guests of honor, give us their shares of thoughts, their experiences. Thank you very much.